Welcome to our tutorial on techniques for installing ceramic tiles for floors quickly and professionally. Ceramic tiles are a popular choice for flooring because of their durability, easy maintenance, and wide range of designs. This video will show you step-by-step instructions on adequately installing ceramic tiles for floors, focusing on efficiency and precision. We will also discuss tips and tricks to make the installation process go smoothly. Whether a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, these techniques will help you achieve a beautiful, long-lasting tile installation. So, let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the surface. The first step in installing ceramic tiles is to prepare the surface. This includes cleaning the floor to remove dirt, dust, or debris and leveling the surface to ensure it is smooth and even. Any uneven areas should be filled with a self-leveling compound, and cracks or holes should be repaired with a concrete patch. Step 2. Measuring and planning. Once the surface is prepared, the next step is to measure and plan the tile layout. This includes measuring the room's dimensions and determining the tiles you need. It's essential to take into account any cuts that will be necessary, such as around doorways or along walls. It's also a good idea to plan out the tile layout using a dry fit method, laying the tiles in the desired pattern without using any adhesive. Step 3. Mixing and apply the adhesive. The next step is to mix and apply the adhesive. It's essential to use the correct type of adhesive for ceramic tiles and to follow the manufacturer's instructions for mixing and application. The adhesive should be spread evenly over the surface using a notched trowel and allowed to dry for the recommended amount of time before laying the tiles. Step 4. Laying the tiles. Once the adhesive is dry, it's time to start laying the tiles. This should be done starting from the center of the room and working outwards, using the dry fit layout as a guide. Care should be taken to ensure that the tiles are level and that the spacing between them is consistent. Any necessary cuts should be made using a tile cutter or saw. Step 5. Grouting the tiles. After the tiles have been laid, the next step is to grout the gaps between them. The grout should be mixed according to the manufacturer's instructions and applied using a rubber float. Care should be taken to ensure that the grout is pressed firmly into the gaps and that any excess is removed. The grout should then be allowed to dry for the recommended time before being sealed. Step 6. Sealing the grout. The final step in installing ceramic tiles is to seal the grout. This is an essential step as it helps to protect the grout from stains and moisture. The sealer should be applied according to the manufacturer's instructions and allowed to dry completely before using the floor. It's essential to use a high-quality sealer specifically designed for ceramic tile grout, as this will ensure that it is adequately sealed and protected. It's also a good idea to apply multiple coats of sealer for maximum protection. Allow the sealer to dry completely before walking on the tile. Additionally, it's worth noting that grout sealer may need to be reapplied periodically, depending on the level of traffic and use of the area. Regularly inspecting and resealing the grout will help to maintain the overall appearance and longevity of your tile floor. And that's it. You've now learned how to install ceramic tiles for floors quickly and professionally. Remember, proper preparation, careful planning, and attention to detail are critical to a successful tile installation. Take your time, and don't rush through the process. It will save you time and money in the long run. Additionally, it's essential to use high-quality tools and materials to ensure that your tile installation is as solid and durable as possible. Feel free to seek professional advice if you need clarification on any aspect of the installation process. Finally, it's worth mentioning that ceramic tile installation is not a one-time process. Regular maintenance is essential to keep your tile floor looking good. Regular cleaning and resealing of grout will help to maintain the overall appearance and longevity of your tile floor. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next tile installation project. Remember to share your finished work with us, we'd love to see it.